this strap like this, bend it to the back side. This is the back side. Usually we do it to the front side, but here we have to do it to the back side. Now insert this one this way, the same this side also, into this thing. Now you can put one shoulder this way and the other shoulder hand goes inside this way. Now this will come in your back side, and you have to adjust two straps in the front. Put this one through the waist to the front side, and paste it in the front side. Then also the small one also comes to the front. The same this side also coming to on the front side.